Looking for a powerful cordless blower that won't disturb the peace? The Milwaukee 3017 could be exactly what you need. The Milwaukee blower stands out for its lightweight and ergonomic design, which includes a well-balanced handle that minimizes strain during extended use. Weighing just over 5 pounds as a bare tool, it remains easy to handle even with larger capacity batteries installed. The tool is durable, made from robust plastic and metal components that withstand outdoor wear and tear. The streamlined build also supports easy maneuvering in tight spaces, making it versatile for both open and confined areas. The 3070 offers high efficiency through its brushless power state motor, which achieves 500 CFM and 120 miles per hour, enough power for tackling heavy leaf piles and small to medium debris. It's ideal for maintaining lawns, driveways, and walkways. The blower reaches full throttle in less than a second, allowing for quick operation without the hassles of gas-powered blowers, such as lengthy starts and fuel maintenance. Noise reduction is another key feature, with the blower operating at only 54 decibels, about 40% quieter than standard cordless blowers, making it suitable for neighborhoods with strict noise regulations. A variable speed trigger allows for precise control, so users can adjust the airflow depending on the task. For more control, Milwaukee's proprietary Red Link Plus intelligence technology optimizes battery usage, enabling better runtime while preventing overheating and overloading. In its class, the Milwaukee competes with models like the Ryobi Whisper series and Still's BGA series, both noted for their quieter operation and powerful output. However, the Milwaukee edges out the Ryobi in noise reduction and speed with its quieter 54 decibel output versus the Ryobi's 57 decibels. Still's offers similar performance, but typically at a higher price point, especially for professional grade models. Milwaukee's commitment to user-friendly features, especially its rapid throttle response and smooth variable speed control, also make the 3017 a strong choice for residential and professional users alike. This blower is available as a bare tool for around $179, though this price can vary slightly depending on the retailer. If you need additional batteries or a charger, expect to pay closer to $350 for a full kit. For value and performance, this price point is competitive, especially with the inclusion of Milwaukee's high-quality M18 system compatibility, allowing the 3017 to use batteries from other M18 tools. For reliable delivery and added purchase options, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the video description. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons of the Milwaukee blower. Cons: dependent on battery, longer use needs larger batteries or spares. Limited power for heavy debris versus gas models. Higher cost than some electric alternatives. Pros: very quiet at 54 decibels. Strong output, 500 CFM and 120 miles per hour. Fast start to full throttle in under a second. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Compatible with M18 batteries for other Milwaukee tools. Red Link Plus technology enhances battery life and efficiency. Overall, the Milwaukee 3017 offers powerful, quiet, and convenient performance. Ideal for anyone seeking a quality cordless blower. It balances robust power with user-friendly features. Check out our Amazon link for the best deals, and if you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe, like, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.